Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to make South special Kesari Bhat. Okay, so now for that, first I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of ghee. I've taken it in my pan, and first I'm going to dry roast my dry fruits like badam or kishmish and kaju, but right now I'm taking only kaju and kishmish. And now we're going to dry roast this till it's nice crispy. You can take more if you want, but for this recipe I'm taking only this much. So let me just dry roast this. So I've dry roasted them, and now I'm going to keep this aside. In the same pan, I'm going to take my half cup of ghee. This is my half cup of ghee, and I'm going to put this first. And I'm also going to take rava, half cup. This is a super fine rava that I'm going to use for this Kesari Bhat. We need super fine rava, okay? Not the regular rava. It's called as chiroti rava. See how super fine it is? Super fine rava. And now I'm going to roast this in ghee till it's light golden in color. So let me just do it. It's going to take around 5 to 10 minutes because my gas is on low. Roast it in ghee. Now while I'm dry roasting my rava in ghee, I'm also going to put these 2 cloves, laung. This is the main ingredient of this Kesari Bhat, South special, that is going to make it different because the taste of laung is going to come in it, and it's going to be really very tasty and yummy. This is a South speciality, and this Kesari Bhat is very popular in South of India. If you don't like this laung, the taste of laung, you can remove it, but originally authentic recipe has it. So I'm putting it, and now I'm further roasting it in ghee till I get that light golden color. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and this is the color I'm getting, and I want this only. See this? I don't want to make it more brown or something. Okay, so now at this point I am just going to off my gas because I'm going to add regular water to this. It's going to be around 1.5 cup of water that I'm going to put. I've off my flame right now because it's very hot and the water might splutter, so I don't want it to splutter on my hands or face. And so I'm going to add the water very slowly. To this half cup of rava and half cup of ghee, I am putting 1.5 cup of normal water. It's not boiled or anything. And I am going to mix it now so that I don't want to see any lumps. But be careful while doing this because it's going to splutter on your hands. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Now I'm going to put my flame back on low, mixing it slowly. I don't want any lumps. And at this point, first I'm going to add my kesar. In South, the Kesari Bhat is kesari color. They actually put kesar, strands, or they also put kesar powder or kesar liquid, whichever is available. So around half a teaspoon of kesar goes in here right now, and then it's going to give a beautiful color. This half to 1 teaspoon of kesar you can adjust as per what you want. Now to this we are going to add our half cup of sugar. So remember the measurements: half cup of rava, super fine rava, half cup of ghee, half cup of sugar, regular sugar, and 1.5 cup of water. Okay, so let's add our sugar. So I've taken my sugar, I'm adding it now, and we are going to mix it. See how that nice kesari color you can see. Mix it well, and now we're going to add our dry fruits that we have roasted in 1 teaspoon of ghee, and we are going to cook this whole thing for some time till the entire water evaporates and this kesari bhat becomes a little bit thicker, because now after adding the sugar it has released some water from the sugar also. Okay, so we have to cook it further for another 5 to 10 minutes, and this sheera is going to be a little bit soft only. Okay, it's a little bit soft and creamy, silky. Very tasty, yummy recipe, South speciality. Please try in your home kitchen and do let me know in the comments if you have liked it, and please share this recipe with your family, friends, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my recipes. I'll be posting interesting new recipes quite frequently now. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification. So let's cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and as you can see, it's already done. It's not sticking to my pan. That means it's all ready to serve. Now let's garnish this with our dry fruits. You can put as many as dry fruits as you want, and our kesari bhat is ready to serve. Very tasty, very yummy. You can eat it as a sweet dish and as well as a breakfast dish. Over here people in South eat it as a breakfast also. So I see you again with another interesting recipe. Until next time, it's bye from Deepali. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. I see you soon again with interesting new recipes. Until next time, take care. So I've transferred it into my bowl and it's ready to serve. You can see how our kesari bhat is looking. It's like this. See this? And very tasty, very yummy. Serve hot and enjoy with your loved ones.